everybody, welcome. Today we're going to work on a truck here. This is a 2001 Chevy Silverado. The air conditioning is starting to not chill very well, so we're going to go ahead and charge it up. We'll see down here in the compartment, this is where we do it. Alright, now you're going to see two little knobs here. Right here is the high end, and down here is the low end. And you got to unscrew the cap on the low end. That's the one we're going to take off to charge the air conditioning up. So I'll just go down here and reach and unscrew this lid off this back one here by this thing that looks like a spaceship. Alright, so once you get the knob off, it'll look like that. Right there. Okay, so this is what you're going to use, this can of refrigerant here, and then we got this little gauge, and the end of the gauge goes on the end of the refrigerant, and the other end goes on that little knob that we just took off. Alright, so there I got it on there. It just slips on like any compressor connection. And this has the gauge on the end, and you can read what your charge level is at. Right now it looks like we're at about 35, between 35 and 45. So we're going to connect the bottle to the end of this, and then we're going to charge it up there. And also I forgot to mention that you're going to want to have your vehicle running for about 3 to 4 minutes before you start charging with the air conditioner on full blast. That'll get the unit ready for charging. Alright, once you got the canister connected to the hose, you got to make sure you shake it a lot before you connect it, and then shake it also while you're filling it. So just squeeze the nozzle on the top of it, and the gauge will slowly go up as the unit is charged. And when you're done, just screw the black cap on, and you're all set. Should be cool as ice inside your cab now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Shannon, and keep it tuned here for more advice on how to fix your vehicles. Bye.